Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going back to our SQL learning session. So, in our top 50 SQL question, SQL lead code question, we have one remaining. I guess the other things are we have already completed. So this is only one pending. In that list, probably we will discuss some other list also. But this is the one that we are planning to discuss on this video, and if time permits we will list some of the other ones also. These things I guess we already completed. So product id with the product id 1 February, total 60 plus 70 130. Lead code solutions book hp order table. So product with product ID one is the order. I don't know whether we've completed this one. So I am a little bit confused here. But for this one, sure, I'm not done. So probably we can discuss these things. I know this question. The other one probably we can discuss later, probably in another video or something. Let's see. So in this one, find users with valid email. So here you have a users table, user ID, name, mail. So here you need to find the users with valid email address as a prefix name and a domain where the prefix name there is some conditions, and for the domain there is some condition. So you need to write a query. So this is a straightforward question. You don't need to do any logical thinking for this one. It's just to make sure it's a valid email. So nothing else. So basically it's an easy one. I don't think that will take too much of our time. So without further ado, we can go to the solution part. So the first thing, as usual, the workbench is the first thing. Then we will go further. So in here, I have some errors. Probably I will remove that from my workspace. And right now, as usual, we need to get a schema. So here, as usual, these things also as usual, we need to drop that usage table. So where why I can copy. So here is fine. I copied and I place everything here. Drop table. Drop table if forget about that query again. It's a little bit most of the time. Drop table if exists, yeah. So my assumption is correct. If exists, so here run this one. It's done. These all as usual things. So here, oh, okay, yeah, okay. So if you need some other Postgres SQL to try, I have another I have another database that's set up for Postgres SQL. So here databases, So this is running on my local. So even though this is not our subject right now, so we can, yeah, we can go to that one after finding solution for the existing one. Then we will do that. So in our previous videos or something, we can do except I guess except. So if you are two set of SQL select statement and you need to get one item that's not in another. So this is except. So it will not work in MySQL. So since I have Postgres SQL, we can go through that in next video. But right now we can go to the solution. So that's our plan. So where is that? So it's basically it's very simple thing, and it's I mean you need to know the regular expression. That's the only thing on this one. So here, so everything should be on lead code, right? That's the thing they mentioned in our example. uh, no, in our requirement, question requirement. So here, so the solution requirement. So here, select all from users as a table. We, I guess, the uppercase or lowercase, everything will work. We can check that. So then you just put regex. That's the only thing, and then the regex. These things you don't need to understand very well. You have a lot of online resources. So, and in interviews, people will not ask for that, right? So, uh, but the basic things you it's better to know. So, if you are put a bracket and A to Z, you will take all the A to Z, any A to Z things, and if you put some star there, it it it's saying like one or more or something like that, one or more or zero or more will not work, one or more I guess. So that's the thing. This is the beginning and this is the dollar will end that regex expression. So that's a thing for a regex basic things, and there is a lot of resources to if you need to go to more on regex things, there will be a lot of resources. You can try that, but that's not our topic right now. So here you can see, we will get all these things. So here I will copy this one and going back to our solution, and I just copy here and run this one, and the case is accepted. So that's the thing. So here um, we will use the same thing probably on our. Okay, we can go to the PostgreSQL right now. So here, PostgreSQL, and this all this all related to my things. So I don't need to go through these all things here. But if you're a connection and you need to create a new database, that's also possible here, I guess. Let me check whether it's possible. Open it. Google. Yes, I can work only on one schema, so that's fine. So because I just choose one database here, so that's fine. I can use some tables to do that things that we are going to discuss about. So first, I need to get a accept example. So let me ask ChatGPT to give me a accept example. SQL accept example Okay, and also we probably discuss something else, like what are the functionalities or something that please provide in the SQL create for that. Okay, so here, so this is the table that we are going to work on this, and we'll see whether it's gonna work in our scenario. So let me copy this one and going back to our deep viewer where I don't want to show all of my stuff that's here, and I am going to create a new SQL script. So since I have this one, just create a execute SQL. That's successful, and I can probably we can see that here in this list. That's fine. I don't want to do that. And next thing that we need to do is set some data into this, and we are adding create contractors. I don't need any. Yeah, we can create that also. And just copy all of this at one time, then we need to come back. So here, put everything here. So here there is some red scenarios here, but I guess we are fine. Let's see whether it's gonna work. So it's looks like it's working, so it's fine. So we are going to the next one, to contactors. We are adding two data to the contactors also, and then so these things a good example actually. So you are saying like you need all the employees, that's not a managers, and there is a manager table, then you can ex- ex- exclude that, right? So the setting. So here, let me go back to our. I don't want to write all of these things since it's an additional things on our. So I'm taking name from employees except select name from contact list. Both are same. It will. So you are getting Bob and Charlie. Alice Bob Charlie is in first table, and Alice David is in second table. So except select name from contract list. So here there is anything. So we are taking Bob and Charlie. The Alice is here, and David is here as contractor, but I don't need that. I need only all the elements from employees except this one. That's one thing. And we are going back to our chat GPT once again if we have time. I guess we are fine. We are only on 14 minutes. So we are going back to our chat GPT and we will ask something related to that one. So here, what I'm going to ask. So functionalities, functionalities that exist in but not in MySQL. So Postgres and MySQL are both have relational database. Advanced data type. Postgres supports a wider range of data types. So data types and other things. Exclusion constraints. That's the one way. Inheritance is there. Multi-version concurrency. Examples of some Postgres specific features. So insert into my table, create table, see JSON, JSON B data type and operation. Probably we will do one whole video for this one. Common table expression. That's actually, I guess, common table expression it's supporting in MySQL, but maybe it's in the later versions. I don't know. Um, these things we have already discussed in so many scenarios. So SQL functions that's specific to postgres string functions string aggregate string values into a string. Okay, so these are specific to SQL, postgres SQL. So that's the thing percentage these all functions. So but we are over, yeah, there is one window functions. So lead provide access to a row specific physical website lead, and oh, that's already window functions also already there. Aggregate function with these all things not specific to. This is all everywhere. Lead and lag that we already discussed. So I guess I am actually need to check some website. Then if it is here, we can conclude this video here. So SQL functions or SQL queries, and not in MySQL, but in Postgres. Except all okay. Nobody is giving a proper answer on this one. But the criteria, why do we choose? What is the difference? Okay, queries that working on my Postgres SQL. Okay, we can basically there is at least bin number is different in MySQL. Okay, I don't think there is anything we can do right now, so we can just wrap up this with the two things that we did on this video. One is this one, uh, except one, and the other one is the questions or regular expression. So thank you for watching. Please tune for next video. Subscribe, share, like, whatever it be. That will help me. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.